Hi guys, our 2002 Acura RSX just hit 300,000 kilometers. This is quite an achievement and I wanted to share it with you and make a quick video. Over the years we've done a bunch of repairs and maintenance, but most of this maintenance was regular maintenance. What's more important, it's still using the original engine and it is going strong. These vehicles have proven themselves to be quite reliable. Over the years we have installed aftermarket equipment in our Acura, like this head unit. We also have the digital rear view mirror, and we did install the backup camera as well. And for example, we have this phone holder. We have different videos, installation videos for all of these products, and I will leave you guys links in the description. Besides that, we have a DIY playlist for the Acura, where we have all our maintenance videos, and I'm sure it will be helpful for you as well if you own one of these beautiful vehicles. Again guys, 300,000 kilometers, it's quite an achievement. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next video.